TV!
Hi, I'm Victoria from Time for Kids TV, and today I'm going to show you how to make a kid's robot costume out of cardboard boxes, just like the one I wore in our YouTube music video, Robbie Robot. Remember to ask an adult for help. Here's a list of materials and equipment you'll need to make it. Start by drawing and colouring in your costume. Choose one cardboard box to fit over your head and one cardboard box for your body, and enlarge your drawing on a big sheet of paper so it's life size. Cut out 2 lengths of aluminium foil flexible duct for your arms and 2 lengths for your legs. Cover an outdoor space that is not windy with plastic sheets, and make sure you wear a face mask so you do not inhale the fumes. Spray the duct with 1 coat of surface prep and leave it to dry for 90 minutes. Spray the duct with 2 coats of blue paint. Allow each coat to dry completely between coats. With a Stanley knife, cut out holes in the boxes for the mouth, head and arms. Paint the head and body in white paint for the undercoat. Now outline in pencil the controls on the robot. Make 2 boxes out of cardboard sheets to cover your thighs, and paint the boxes for your hands, shoes and thighs. Using a hot glue gun, stick the red plastic cups for the ears to the side of the head and stick the antenna at the top of the head. Stick the eyes and controls to the head, and stick the rest of the buttons to the body for controls. Attach the blue aluminium duck legs to the thigh boxes and shoes. The shoes are hollow underneath. Put on the robot costume in 3 stages. First the body and arms, second the legs, and lastly the head. Bye!